Halo teman-teman, jumpa lagi di channel YouTube Radika TC. Di video saya kali ini saya mendapat tugas ya dari teman saya. Beliau sedang mencari Daihatsu Terios TX 2011. Nah, kemarin saya sempat melakukan pengecekan 2 unit Terios TX tapi warna putih. Itu kondisinya kurang bagus ya, itu masih ada banyak PR, ada rembesan oli di packing silinder head, kemudian ada PR lagi untuk ganti ban 4 buah, kemudian ada PR lagi headnya itu kurang rapi, habis cepetan tapi spetnya kurang rapi, jadi tidak rekomendasikan untuk diambil. Ada juga PR pajak, sebentar lagi mau ngisi pajak, jadi sebisa mungkin kalau bisa pajaknya yang dapat yang panjang. Nah, ini saya sedang menuju ke lokasi unit di daerah Kudus sendiri. Nanti akan saya cek unitnya, semoga bagus sesuai permintaan dari teman saya. Ikuti terus video saya sampai selesai. Selamat menonton.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase the bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I can see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that is so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Oke, ini saya test drive teman-teman. Untuk suspensinya ini masih terlihat normal, terutama yang shock breaker belakang. Kelemahannya Terios itu kalau ada polisi tidur itu dia langsung ngayun. Kalau ini tadi sudah saya cek, dia nggak ngayun, masih normal. Jadi untuk shock breaker yang belakang ini masih sangat bagus. Untuk power steering ini masih normal, jadi tidak ada bunyi-bunyian ataupun kebocoran ya. Masih enteng, ringan power steeringnya. Oke, ini saya coba cari jalan lagi. Tarikannya ini masih galak, masih responsif. Kanan apa kiri?
Kanan.
Kanan gitu. Tangan di bawah malah isen dulu Pak. Oke, untuk perpindahan persnelnya juga masih empuk. Men kalau lebih enak lagi nanti bisa diganti oleh transmisi. Untuk tarikannya saya coba tarikan, masih responsif teman-teman. Kampas koplingnya juga masih bagus kayaknya ini. Kaki-kaki tidak begitu geludakan, baik yang depan maupun belakang. Cuman ini mungkin karena bannya tadi ya tahun 2011 jadi agak keras. Ini mungkin kalau diganti yang tahun yang agak muda pasti ini naikannya lebih enak mungkin. Kemudian untuk catnya sendiri ini masih rapi. Oke Bang, catnya masih rapi, warna hitam. Paling cuma ada jamur-jamurnya. Coba dipoles nanti juga pasti akan hilang. Oke, saya rasa untuk test drive cukup. Saya akan mengevaluasi untuk mobil ini ya teman-teman ya. Jadi hasil pengecekan saya tadi untuk keempat bannya itu harus diganti kalau memang ingin lebih nyaman lagi, karena ini tahun 2011 semua. Untuk shock breaker belakangnya ini masih bagus, masih normal. Kemudian untuk catnya ini juga 90% mulus, jadi paling ada baret-baret sedikit, wajar pemakaian. Untuk pajaknya ini juga masih lumayan panjang, ini bulan 7, bentar lagi lah. Kemudian untuk kampas kopling juga masih bagus. Oke, untuk unit ini cukup diterima teman-teman. Jadi saya sarankan untuk diambil oleh teman saya ini Pak Winarto. Oke, terima kasih sudah mengikuti video saya sampai selesai. Terima kasih telah menonton.